Okay, let's pull open our app and let's create a custom pattern. So let's go into themes. Okay, from here, let's hit the plus button in the top right. So when you're creating this, every single time it automatically will plug in a rainbow of colors. Okay, if you're wanting to start from scratch, just hit the trash can and go all the way down. Okay, now obviously there's a bunch of different patterns you can choose from, and you'll have to figure out which one you like the best. Most people are going to want to do a static, and a common one, let's say, is red, white, and blue. And so what you want to do that's just stagnant is you want to go in red and then push the plus button to add a light, and then the circle that has a secondary circle around it is the one you're going to be editing. And so we're going to slide that one over to blue. Okay, and then we're going to add another light, and we're going to select that one, and we're going to run it over to white. So now we have a red, white, and blue pattern. Okay, now for example, if you're having a tough time finding the blue because maybe you got fat fingers or something and oh, it's purple, there is a color card right here, and you can just select your blue from there to get your closest to blue. Okay, and from there you've got a red, white, and blue pattern created. If you want to be, two reds, two blues, it's pretty simple. You're just going to go red, you're going to add another one in for two whites, you're going to add another one in and go, two blues. Very, very simple. Now you got two reds, two whites, two blues, and you go up and hit save, name it red, white, and blue, static, and you're going to go ahead and hit confirm. And then when you go into your DIY kit, there it is right there, your red, white, and blue static. Okay, very, very simple.